Ever wondered how to add a zesty twist to your baking? Citrus zest can be the answer you're looking for. This magic ingredient, packed with vibrant flavors, can truly elevate your baked goods. Stay tuned as we count down the top 7 creative ways to use citrus zest in your baking. Starting at number 7, we have citrus sugar, a zesty delight. Simply mix your favorite citrus zest into sugar. It's great for sweetening your baked goods, lending a subtle citrus flavor. So, adding citrus zest to sugar can really amp up your baking game. At number 6, we have zesty glazes. Imagine a tantalizing citrus glaze drizzled over your favorite baked goods, adding a tangy sweetness that's irresistible. Simply whisk together citrus zest, sugar, and juice. With zesty glazes, your baked goods will never be boring. Coming in at number 5, we have citrus extracts. These flavorful essences, easily made by steeping citrus peels in alcohol, bring a vibrant zing to your baking. Imagine the delight of a lemony pound cake or an orange-infused cookie. Citrus extracts can add a burst of flavor to your baked goods. At number 4, we have citrus icing. This zesty topping is a delightful surprise. Simply whisk together powdered sugar and fresh citrus juice. It's perfect for drizzling over cakes, cupcakes, and scones. With citrus icing, your pastries will be the talk of the town. Coming in at number 3, we have citrus salt. To make it, simply mix finely grated citrus zest with coarse salt. This zesty seasoning is a game changer, enhancing flavors in cookies, cakes, and pies. Citrus salt can transform your baked goods from bland to grand. At number 2, we have citrus syrup. This fragrant concoction is made by simmering citrus zest in sugar water until it thickens. It's perfect for drizzling over cakes, swirling into frostings, or sweetening your homemade breads. Citrus syrup can really take your baking to the next level. And at number 1, we have citrus-infused oils. These oils, steeped with the zest of your favorite citrus fruits, add a subtle yet tantalizing note to your baked goods. So, citrus-infused oils can be the secret ingredient to your baking success. So, there you have it. The top 7 creative ways to use citrus zest in your baking. From citrus sugar to zesty glazes, the possibilities are endless. Citrus zest truly brings a bright, refreshing twist to your baked goods. Don't forget to give this video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips and tricks.